Hi everyone, welcome to this crash course, IT for non-tech managers. If you're leading a data team, deep in digital transformation, or just want to become a better collaborator, you're in the right place. My goal is to demystify core IT concepts so you can manage tech teams, projects, and conversations, all with confidence and zero coding required. Let's dive in. Every business today is, in some way, a tech business. IT isn't just a back-office thing anymore, it's front and center touching every part of how we work and grow. As a manager, you don't need to code, but you do need to understand what your tech teams are talking about. Why? Because understanding tech helps you make better decisions, communicate across departments, avoid project delays and scope creep, and even hire the right people. In short, it helps you lead smarter. But what is it, really? IT stands for information technology. The systems, tools, and people that help collect, process, store, and share data. There are a few big areas. First, infrastructure. Think servers, cloud platforms, networking, and hardware. Then there's software development. Building apps and digital tools, data and analytics, turning raw info into useful insights. Cybersecurity, keeping your data and systems safe. And DevOps, automating deployment and operations to keep things running smoothly. Now, who does what in a tech team? Here's your cheat sheet. Developers or engineers write the code. Product managers define what to build and why. Project managers, sometimes called scrum masters, keep everyone on track. QA testers make sure things work as intended. Data analysts and scientists crunch the numbers to find patterns. System admins and DevOps engineers keep your systems running. And UX/UI designers make sure your tools look and feel right for users. When your company builds something new, it follows a process called the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. First, requirement gathering. What problem are we solving? Then comes design. How will the system look and work? Next, development, where developers build the solution. After that, testing, finding and fixing bugs. Then deployment, launching the product. Finally, maintenance, staying on top of updates and fixes. As a manager, your job is to provide clear business requirements, support prioritization, shield the team from constant change, and communicate with stakeholders. Keep everyone focused on the big picture. Let's talk jargon. API means a way for different systems to talk to each other. Cloud computing is using services like AWS or Google Cloud to run your software. Agile is a flexible project management style with lots of feedback and quick changes. DevOps combines development and operations for faster delivery. A database is where your data lives. Latency is the delay in communication or processing. Version control, usually Git, tracks changes in code. SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS are different levels of cloud services. So what works best when you're managing a tech team? Don't micromanage how things are built. Focus on the why. Respect time estimates. Coding is hard to predict. Communicate business value, not just tasks. Prioritize ruthlessly. Tech teams can't build everything. Avoid scope creep. Don't change requirements halfway through, and always encourage testing and documentation. Let's put this into practice. Say you're launching a new CRM. Instead of make it like Salesforce, say, we need to improve customer follow-ups. Sales wants reminders for leads that go cold after 7 days. Or, if you're automating a report, instead of make it automatic, say, we spend 3 hours weekly updating this Excel manually. Can we build a dashboard that pulls the same data automatically from our system? And that's it. You now have a solid foundation to manage and collaborate with IT teams. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert. Just speak the language of impact. Follow me for more practical breakdowns. Smart leaders leverage tech. They don't fear it.